Thank you guys. I'm so happy to be here. I am Mayura Nan. I'm with the Barbacoa. Okay? I am from Brazil, and you know, we Brazilians, we love meat. We know how to do it. You know it. Visit Tucanos, you know it. It's always full there. We love meat, and we just don't love. It's not only the meat. We love the experience. And because I want your vote, you can look on your chair. If you find a coupon, congratulations, you won a free grill. Please, look it up. There's a couple there. Can we? Nothing? We have to, yeah, good job, congratulations. Awesome. All right, guys, let's talk about the Barbacoa. In the United States alone, 94 million people went hiking or camping. That's a lot of people. So we want to learn from them. We want to see what they're thinking and their experiences. So we surveyed 176 people. We took everything we could from them in experience, processes, how they set up, how they go to grill in the outdoors and everything. Then we collected all that information, and we found out that the current solutions that we have today, they're bulky, they're heavy, they are hard setup, they are messy, hard to bring it back to home, clean it up, and solutions also are expensive. So now, we work hard, and we came up with the Barbacoa. This is our grill, and it's eco-friendly. It is disposable, it is biodegradable, it is light, it is 5 times lighter than the lightest grill in the market, and it's affordable, okay? Yes, all that in one product. So it is simple as you saw in the video. 1, 2, 3, set up. 1, 2, 3, you're ready to cook your meat, okay? So this is about experience. So we want you to cook the good meat, right? We know that there are amazing grills that they can cook a great meal, but we want you to have experience in everything you do with our product. You want, when you buy it, when you're setting it up, when you're cooking, when you're eating, when you're getting rid of it, we want to make you have experience all the way. And that's how I, as a Brazilian, enjoy my meals, my grills, my barbecues, because I have really great experience. And I want to bring this to all of you. So let's talk about numbers. The outdoor recreation industry is huge. In the United States, $184 billion. Okay, let's go more deep. In California, only 92 billion. Texas, 52 billion. Washington, 26 billion. And Utah, yes, Utah, $12 billion. And we have mountains. People love the outdoors here. So another number here. Only in camping and hiking, $50 billion in outdoor recreational equipment. That's a lot of number. Another people that we would like to target are the sport fans. And this is specific for NFL season. Okay, 3.1 million people went tailgating on NFL season. 55% of them bring a portable grill. And they spend around $196 in food, in the grill, and beverage per game. Okay, so a great market. Let's see how we're doing. And I'm so excited to tell you about this because we sold 6,000 units in 6 months last year, and with that we're almost hitting 150,000 by the end of this month in Argentina only. We know that the market in Argentina is not as easy with e-commerce, logistics, shipping as we will have here in the US, and I know we can do a lot better on that. I know that if we sell 200,000 units, how we're gonna do in Argentina, in the US, that's around $2.4 million in revenue. So, and we're very happy about that. So how is our revenue? $9 or to $12, we're gonna launch in our website here, the Barbacoa, and also we are gonna launch on Amazon. That's the start. We're also gonna have a subscription model where you pay $40 per month, and you can get 4 grills for those more outdoorsy people that always want to have a grill at home. And then we're going to hit the retailers where people can get anytime, like Walmart, Cabela's, Zig stores, and REI, and those things, okay? So let me take a pause here and say that if we are with this product, we love nature, we love everything that God's created, and we love the most people. I'm passionate about people, and I love them. And I saw where we could give back. We want everybody to have experience in our business. Everybody, our consumers, our partners, myself, everybody. So in Brazil only, we have 11,000 families in São Paulo that live out of solid recycle. And we want to help them with collecting their material by a premium. And also we will ship that to our factories. Our factory will make our product and goes to retail and sales. And we can share our profits with these families and help them out and make them happy. So thank you so much. So everyone, 20 people that send me a text first at 801-243-0543 are gonna get a free grill for this summer. They're coming. I'll let you know as soon as they are here. I'll give it to you. You enjoy your summer and have a great experience. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Great product. I want that product.
I'll give it to you too.
A couple of things. I may have missed this. Did you talk about price?
I did. I didn't talk about cost.
Yeah, remind me what the price was again.
So retail price, $9 to $12.
Okay. And I'm wondering about intellectual property. I asked this earlier. What's to keep someone from copying this?
Correct. It's so simple, right? So that's a great question. So the reason we didn't launch yet so strong in social media here in the US because we're working in our patent here. We do have a patent in Argentina that covers all South America, which is one of our good markets that we want to expose in Brazil, Paraguay, Argentina, Chile. But we're working on a patent in the US now, utility patent and design patent.
Are you sold 150,000 in Argentina?
Yes.
You sold 60,000 here.
No, only in Argentina. The product's not for sale here yet. Yeah.
So on the 100, are you selling it for the same price, about $10?
No, we're selling directly through a distributor. Sodimac is a chain of stores in like home center, like Lowe's, and they're distributing for us. We are giving them a better price so they can put it around the cost. So in Argentina, it's not $9 to $12 because that's going to be too expensive for them. We have a lower price there.
So on your distribution, I know these guys that make hammocks. Have you talked to them about partnering to sell package deal?
Can we talk about that? Yeah, we can talk about that.
So distribution-wise, you mentioned Amazon and online.
Yeah, that's for launch.
Have you done like a Kickstarter or anything like that as well?
We're launching right now. As soon as we get our paper kind of set up on the IP, we're gonna launch.
Okay, so usually protect it.
Yeah, yeah.
Awesome.
How long do the grill things last?
The rods, like the wood rods. So this is meant to be disposable, right? So it will you can use more times, but it will last the whole time. I mean, it won't get burned. It doesn't get burned. So let me explain this. It is designed to cook on coals, right? You cannot cook on open flames because open flames don't cook a really good meat.
How do you really feel?
No, and I know, that's why I came up with this product. I know, Brazilians know, Argentinians know, ask them, you know.
Would it be too ironic if the way that you destroyed the thing was by burning it? How do you, it's biodegradable, like what do you do with it? You know, like a big chunk of unburnable cardboard.
So if you just throw in the environment, it looks ugly, but it's gonna disappear quick, right? With rain, whatever, it disappears faster. But after you're done, you can you burn it right there. As soon as it gets in solid contact with the coals or the heat there, it's gonna get burned. Or if you have a trash can close, you can throw it there.
It's officially ironic. So I vote next year, NVC, he brings the meat.
Yeah.